In today's video, you will learn how to darken the video background in CapCut PC. Darkening the background of a video is a great way to make your subject stand out more and give your footage a cleaner and more cinematic look. This effect is commonly used in interviews, tutorials, social media videos, and professional edits because it helps focus the viewer's attention on the main subject instead of distracting background elements. To begin, select the video clip you want to edit so the settings for that clip become available. Once your clip is highlighted, move over to the Mask section. Masking allows you to isolate specific parts of your video so adjustments can be applied more precisely. In this case, the goal is to separate the main subject from the background, so the background can appear darker while the subject stays clear and visible. After opening the mask settings, click on Add a Mask. This will give you access to different masking tools that can be used to isolate objects and people within your footage. From there, select the brush tool and begin drawing over the object or person that you want to keep separated from the background. Try to be as accurate as possible while tracing the subject, because cleaner selections usually create smoother and more professional-looking results. As you continue painting over the subject, the software will begin identifying the selected area and processing the effect. Depending on how detailed the subject is, this may take a little time. Hair, clothing textures, and movement can sometimes require more processing for accurate results. Once the selection is complete, wait for the final outcome to load fully. On some systems, this may take a few minutes, especially if you are working with higher resolution footage or more complex scenes. After the effect finishes processing, you should notice that the background becomes darker while your subject remains more visible and separated from the rest of the scene. This creates a more focused and visually appealing effect that can instantly make your videos look more polished. If necessary, you can go back and refine the mask to clean up any rough edges or missed sections for an even smoother result. And that is how you darken the video background in CapCut PC using the masking tools.